Hello students, hope you are going very well through the topics I explained in my last videos. Today I explain you exercise 5.3 unit arithmetic progression, sum of n terms of a series. What is the formula of sum of n terms of a series?
S minus
S is equal to
n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1
n minus 1 into
d.
d. D is the common difference, a is the first term, n is the number of terms. And in some cases formula is n by 2 into a plus l. If last term is given to us, then we have to apply this formula. And last term is according to nth term of series. Nth term of series मैंने आपको करवा रखी है. What is the formula of nth term of a series? nth term का क्या formula है? What is the formula of nth term of a series? A plus n minus 1 into d. It is denoted as L also. मतलब कि अगर इस फॉर्मूले में हम अप्लाई करें a plus n minus 1 into d means a plus n minus 1 into d, then a plus a क्या हो जाएगा 2a. Then this is the formula derived according to nth term of series from last term. Last term is equal to nth term of series. Now example number 11 is find the sum of first 22 terms. Means S22 हमें find करना है. AP series is given to us 8, 3 minus 2 goes up to. What is the value of A here?
8.
D.
A2 minus A1.
Current term minus previous term. That is 3 minus 8 minus 5. So now sum of 22 terms means value of n is 22. That is n by 2 a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is value of n is 22 by 2. 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into minus 5. That is 11 into 16 plus 11 into minus 5. That is 11 into 16 minus 55. 11 into 9, 3. 39 into 11, 99. 9 carry over, 33 and 9. Sorry, this is 21 into minus 5, 105. So 89 into 11, 99. 9 carry over, 88 and 9. 97. And its value is negative because of bigger term is negative. This is the answer of this question. Example number 12 is if sum of first 14 terms of an AP is given 10, 50. S14 and 10, 50. First term is 10, A is equal to 10. Find 20th term, मतलब T20 हमें find करना है. अब sum of n terms में हमें चाहिए A and D and N. N is given, N वैसे तो नहीं given but S14 terms given है means N की value क्या है अब यहाँ पे 14. Clear? But D is not given to us. First of all we have to apply S14 is equal to formula sum of n terms का
n by 2 2a
plus
n minus 1 into d.
that is n की value
14
by 2 into 10 plus 14 minus 1 into d is equal to S14 कितना दिया हुआ था 10, 50. This is 7 into 20 plus 13d. 10, 50. This 7 on the right side will be
subtracted.
This is in multiplication.
Divided.
So it will be divided. 20 plus 13d as it is. 1050 by 7. That is 20 plus 13d is equal to 7 ones are 7, 5s are 0. And 13d is equal to 150 and 20 on right will be. This 20 on right will be
subtracted.
Minus 20, that is 13d is equal to
130.
एंड वैल्यू ऑफ डी इज
10.
10. वैल्यू ऑफ डी हमने फाइंड कर ली. नाउ वी हैव टू एडजस्ट हेयर T20. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ T20? 20th टर्म. टी एन टर्म का फॉर्मूला मैंने आपको बताया था. जनरल टर्म ऑफ सीरीज जो है 5.2 में की गई है. इट्स फॉर्मूला इज a प्लस
n minus 1 into d
एंड वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 10 n.
for 20.
यस. अब यहाँ पे n हमें 20 लेना पड़ेगा. बेशक यहाँ पे n 14 था, बट यहाँ पे नहीं ले सकते बिकॉज दिस इज 20th टर्म ऑफ सीरीज. तो यहाँ पे हम लेंगे 20 minus 1 into d. d is also 10. We have find it. Its value is 10 plus 19 into 10, that is 10 plus 190. 200 is the answer of this question. Clear? And example number 13th is, how many terms of an AP? How many terms means we have to find number of terms, n. AP series is given to us 24, 21, 18 goes up to, must be taken so that their sum is 78. Sum is 78 का मतलब
Sn is equal to
Sn is equal to 78. Now we have to adjust the formula. Sn का क्या formula है? n by 2
2a
plus n minus 1 into d, that is 72 is the value of Sn. n we have to
78.
find, sorry 78. n we have to find, तो as it is रहेगा 2a. value of a is here 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. clear? 21 minus 24. a और d की वैल्यू मैंने डायरेक्ट पुट कर दी है. this is 78 into 2. this 2 on the left will be multiplied. n into 48 minus 3n plus 3. clear now? its value is 614 is equal to n into 51 minus 3n. clear? it will be 146 equal to
51n minus 3n square.
51n minus 3n square. n square should be in positive sign, so we have to adjust this. On the left side will be positive, 51n on the left will be negative. This is as it is. What can be common in these?
n 3 and n
Why n? Here is not n,
3.
only 3. It can be divisible at 3. 3 4s are 12 और 26 डिविजिबल नहीं है. समथिंग इज मिस्टेकन, इट शुड बी डिविजिबल. यहाँ इसको एज इट इज़ करना पड़ेगा. 16 14 एंड 1 15. 156. इज इट डिविजिबल बाय 3?
Yes.
तो वी कैन टेक कॉमन 3. n square minus 17n plus 3 4s are 3 9s are. How I explain it? It is divisible or not? It is wrong, because two terms have same multiple as 3. 3 के multiple हैं दोनों, तो third should also be multiple of 3. If not, we can adjust it here, discriminant formula. Otherwise, check the adjustment, then solve it. Now the value is n square minus 17n plus 49. At what table can we adjust it? 3 4s are 12 नहीं, 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. So it will be 52. Now 52 at the table of 226, क्योंकि 17 एडजस्ट नहीं ना हो रहा था 49 के अकॉर्डिंग. सो वी हैव टू चेक इट अगेन. नाउ 3 के टेबल पे नहीं जा सकता, 4 के टेबल पे जाएगा. 4 into 13, this is the factor. Splitting the middle term according to minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. n into n minus 13 minus 4 into n minus 13. So n minus 4 into n minus 13. What is the value of n? 4 and 13. It should be the answer of this question, 4 and 13. Now according to it you have to solve the questions of exercise. If you have any doubt, send me on my personal number. Thank you.